Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we're gonna be cruising on the Suron, and we also have a mini electric dirt bike. And as you can see, it's like a razor turned into like a powerful electric razor, I guess you could say. And yeah, the homie Electric Tips, he's gonna vibe out with that shit, bro. It's crazy looking, dude.
Yep. So it's got the QS 138 in it.
Yeah.
165, excuse me. But the V2, so it's basically a KO motor.
Okay, I have no idea what that means, but the people will know.
A stronger motor than the Suron, that bolt right into
the
Suron. And
ah, nice.
yeah,
Oh,
the Cybertron controller. So this is what your bike would feel like if you put a Savvy on it.
I need to get me one of these ASAP,
it would have
bro.
all of those.
No, yeah, I need it for the Suron.
You're gonna love it because of this.
It don't feel too small for you, like.
I mean, 50. I can't believe you just said that, Mr. 50.
No, I know.
Nah, but I started with these with electric.
Ah.
56 of these.
Okay.
So I started with razors.
Word.
So this is the back brake. This is electronic.
I just need the back brake, just the back brake. Yep. I'm a little nervous.
You should be good. No. Look, give it a little gas. Don't even hit it hard. Just a little. Walk it. Go slow. Just go slow. You don't even have to from the jump. You could just lift it up. Wop. Yeah. Let's make sure you can.
Oh my God. Ah! The brakes are good.
You can keep it smooth too, and it'll do it.
Ah, bro, this thing actually rips. I'm scared to keep both feet on it.
You can, please.
No, I know.
You're gonna get comfortable quick because I see you ride your 50.
No, I know, but this is the electric.
Worry. It ain't just gonna loop. That brake or drop you. It'll drop you.
Ah! Oh my God! Yo, this thing's actually so sick. For an electric bike, you could rip this anywhere. Bro.
I knew you was gonna start. Be like, okay, the brake's there.
Yeah. I just have to get a little used to it. It feels a little different.
So you can bring it up slow, or you could go womp, womp, and then you up.
Yeah.
Let's go inside of here.
Let's go! Cruising on the KLX 50, brother. We outside.
And now you're comfortable with that. Your feet, I can't get my feet up here, right?
Oh, my bad. Yo, look at this thing just rip, bro. Dude, it's so dope. And it's so smooth. That's what surprises me, is like, it's so smooth. You can just chill on the throttle like, and you're chilling. Bro, my bike feels so weak. My bike feels so weak. Yeah. I got no power. What the hell?
Lightning in the storm.
Yeah, is it more?
Look how vicious the are. How vicious they are.
Let's go. Damn. That thing got some power. Yeah, if we're on, oh, will we get struck by lightning faster if we're on an electric bike?
We're on rubber.
We're on rubber, right?
Should be grounded out.
I hope, brother. Let's go. It's too smooth, bro. That thing is too smooth. And we also in the hood, brother. You got what?
Hey, so promote my drink business called Juice Game. I be selling natural slushy drink.
Let them know. It's right here.
Right here, man. Slush, come here, man. Come on. I see you recording. It's the Juice Game right here, man.
Juice Gang.
Juice Game, Drink Man 1940.
Oh, I got a little alcohol in it?
I do virgin drink and alcohol drink and healthy drink.
I ain't got nothing on me. Oh, that shit look good though.
Most definitely.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
get them cells, brother.
Good with your homeboy. Let's go for the $5 though. Start at $5. What's it? This is a passion drink right here. Then I do alcohol drink and healthy drink. Well, that's what's up.
Boy, hit a little swerve on the freaking 50. Bruh. That's looking badass. So yeah, this is a Paramore freaking Orlando hood. It ain't really that hood no more. Yes, sir. Dang. Orlando hood, brother. Well, we go we go anywhere with electric tips, dog. I wonder who they're playing. Hey, you know who they're playing tonight? Or what is NBA going on? I don't even know. I ain't watch NBA.
Welcome to the Amway Center, where legends will be.
No, who's playing tonight?
The Amway Center.
There's no game. It's a graduation.
Ah, okay.
Comfortable and enjoyable sports and entertainment experience. As you enter the building, face coverings are encouraged.
You say what?
How do I get one of those?
The internet?
Internet?
Yeah, it's called a Suron. Yeah, it's electric.
You bigger than I am, and you are
Let's go. Yo, at first he was like, you can't ride that here, and then he's like, wait, where y'all get that at? What the hell? Why is his face so white, bro? Some weird shit seen downtown. Oh, damn electric scooters. Yeah, this is sick. Ah! Yes, sir. I've never been back here my whole life living out here. I didn't even know that was a shortcut. I'm gonna ask him what the flipping top speed. Hey, what's the top speed?
I ain't even tested it. So this is the big sprocket.
Yeah.
For most torque. When I first put it on, I did like 50, 60. I changed it.
Damn.
Because then it's like
So it's a little slower, you saying, or faster?
slower.
Okay.
But more torque.
Torque, yeah.
But fun. So I'll probably do like 40, 50 on it. Easy.
Oh, I mean that's fast on a little bike.
Fast enough.